Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Jambalaya Chimichanga. Jambalaya Chimichanga is a demolition derby racer. In 2017, she competed in crazy race competitions organised in Thunder Hollow with number 27. She also took part in the race which induced the appearance of Lightning McQueen cruising mirrors. During that race, she got hit by Dr. Damage, flipping into the air and getting eliminated. Later on, she went to the barn and with other Crazy 8 racers to watch 500. Now, in terms of releases, she only had 4 releases. The first one in 2017 with rubber tyres. Second in 2020. Next one in 2021. And then in 2020. Dusty! Let's look at her. Let's see. We've got different colour rims, blue and green on this side, red and yellow on this side. She's got lots of different coloured spots on her. Reminds me of Mr. Tumble. And actually, speaking of Mr. Tumble, I've got something to play. So, as I previously said, number 27, and, yeah, number 27, you've got a name, back here, I just wanted to say that. Now here it is when I wanted to play, because Mr. Tumble. Here we go. When was this released? It says it was Thailand. I think it was 2020. I don't know. Thailand. So it was made after either 2020, 2021, or 2022. Not very exciting games. Yellow windows, not to mention. Back, not very exciting. Just, boring. I think that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, my precious.